Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1272. Today's topic is very interesting and latest discovery, or we can say magic or miracle, where a particular protein called USAG-1, and this is called USAG-1 therapy, and they have started in Japan. Means it is a regenerative medicine, and nowadays you might be hearing a lot of research is going on in regenerative medicine, and what they have done is a miracle, and I call it today it is a magic. Means with this therapy, USAG-1 therapy, they can develop and regenerate new teeth. Once you have lost your old teeth, go to Japan. That I will give the name of that institution and email. Go there. People are going now. But it is a bit costly because you have to stay there for some time to have that therapy, at least for 1 month. They will inject their particular protein blocker, and then slowly your new teeth will start developing and regenerating slowly where you have lost the old one. And why this therapy is becoming very popular, it is connected to your previous lecture. I have already mentioned that lot of diseases are linked to your unhealthy teeth in your mouth. And that unhealthy teeth, if you are keeping for long duration of time, they are creating lot of bacteria and lot of pathogen, and they are passing away. And also I have mentioned that your gum chronic inflammation is not limited, is not localized to your mouth. Rather, once your gum is always in chronic inflammation, it means your whole body is affected and they are all in chronic inflammation. So the oral health became so important globally, but still in African and Asian countries, we are not taking care much of. Now awareness is coming because of all these latest research publications. And now this gene therapy is doing miracle. So first thing is that in a very simple language, all scientific community or even common man should understand, should know the meaning and definition of gene. What is gene? Gene is nothing but it is the segment of your DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. This DNA is the carrier of your heredity, is a type of protein. And that fragment of protein molecule, that is DNA, is called gene. And that is going to instruct what type of protein will be there to block, to improve all this. That is called gene expression is done. So that is the part of AIGA. And here what is happening, this gene which is synthesizing a particular protein, and that particular protein is going and blocking the synthesis of a new protein to develop, to regenerate the new teeth. So in case if that blocker, that protein ISGA, that is your USAG. So that USAG1 protein, which is produced by gene, that fragment of DNA, if it is checked and balanced and stop the production, so that your the other protein, normal one, will start developing and regenerating your new teeth. So in future, by this blocker of this USAG1 protein, anybody at any age, even if it is 80, 90, 100 years, go and have this therapy where this particular protein is injected to your body, 1 dose, 2 dose, 3 days, it depends upon in Japan, and come back with new tooth, 1, 2, 3, whatever it is lost. So it's a miracle, it's a magic done by Japanese dental scientists, or we can say scientists, a team of workers. And I will give at the end their email address and the name of their institute. Anybody who is interested can go and get the treatment. Let me show you one photograph, scan copy. So this is the latest MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging, is given cell by cell with that therapy, USAG-1 protein, and that protein is blocked, and now the development and regeneration of new teeth has started. This is the latest MRI scan copy. This is with arrow, it is shown in color that how USAG-1 protein is blocking, and while the new one is injected in order to just stop the synthesis of such type of negative protein to stop development of new teeth. So this is the latest MRI imaging. So I have given this summary of lot of details about the USAG-1 magical therapy to develop and regenerate new teeth once you have lost. Get the ticket, air ticket, and go to Japan and get the new teeth. Number 1, USAG, the full form of this protein is Uterus-Specific Acidic Glycoprotein-1. This is the full name of USAG-1, and the recent research publication has shown that USAG-1 protein synthesized by human gene plays important role in regeneration, and we can say regeneration and development of new tooth. Number 2, USAG-1 therapy is involved. This is called USAG-1 therapy, and this therapy is having lot of advantages and lot of treatment, and that involves the following treatments. Number 1, that tooth regeneration and development. Number 2, a tooth germ formation. Number 3, formation of dental epithelial cells. Number 4, proliferation and differentiation of protein molecules inside the cell. Is a very deep research of gene, DNA fragment, that is called gene. So gene therapy and gene research, protein research is, very, very, we can say, magical work is going on in this regenerative medicine to treat all type of health condition, including arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, respiratory disorder, dental, mental, whatever it is, Alzheimer's, everything. So it's coming one by one. So first magical treatment of this gene therapy, that is called USAG-1 protein, is called regeneration and development of new teeth. Then the proliferation and differentiation of protein molecules in the cell. Then tooth morphogenesis. Tooth morphogenesis means it is the development and regeneration of the process of teeth regeneration and development. This process is called teeth morphogenesis. Dental pulp stem cell differentiation. This is called stem cell therapy. And if you remember, I delivered one lecture on stem cell treatment of one boy who was suffering from thalassemia, means the red blood cells were produced in less quantity. So he became abnormal. He was not getting enough oxygen. So this, with the help of stem cell therapy, he was fully recovered. He's also under gene therapy. And then number 7, odontoblast. Odontoblast is the process of formation of dentin muscles tissues. That process is called odontoblast, and that differentiation responsible of dentin formation. And number 8, USAG-1 therapy will improve dental pulp regeneration for treating pulpitis. Pulpitis is a type of chronic inflammation of your pulp muscles, and that can be regenerated and treated by this USAG-1 therapy. Then number 10, that is 9, tooth repair for dental injury. Number 10, in future, researchers can investigate the potential role of USAG protein in human teeth development. So again, they can do a lot of progressive research how we can use this particular protein for development and regeneration of new teeth. And this therapy opens new platform for regeneration and development of new teeth in human dentistry. Is a very, very, I can say, miraculous research. Now I have given the name of that institution in Japan, that is Torgem Biopharma. So this is the name of the institution, Torgem Biopharma, that is in Japan, and email is @AIJIAMAYROCK. So if you go to Google, only if you just put about this therapy, USAG-1 therapy in Japan by Torgem Biopharma, you will get the full detail. So here my advice to those people who can afford, because here money speaks, not only here, everywhere. If you can afford, if you can buy the air ticket to Japan, and if you are suffering from chronic unhealthy teeth or chronic gum inflammation, go to Japan and get this treatment and have new developed regenerated teeth, so that this problem will be solved forever. At any moment, if you feel that again it is not healthy, you can go and get it regenerated. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.